Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and what math method and find out the correct answer. If the answer is we have four answers, A is 3, B is 6, C is 8 and D is 9. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. We can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is 2 multiplied by 3. So here we have to solve the bracket 2 multiplied by 3. First of all, we have to solve this one. We write 6 multiplied by 3 and divided by 3 raised to power 2. We will write as it is and plus, again we have to write plus, and 6, 2 multiplied by 3 becomes 6. And here we have to give the reference 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. Now move forward according to the rule. Now we have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So now we have this number which has the power 3 raised to power 2. So we will solve this two numbers. 6 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 raised to power 2 means 9 and plus 6 we will write here as it. And here we have to give the reference 3 raised to power 2 equals to 9. Now move forward. Step number 1 and 2 we have solved. Now we have to solve division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming. So now we have 6 multiplied by 3. So first we have to multiply these two numbers. 6 1 the 6 3 2 the 12 and 6 3 the 18 and divided by 2. Sorry, divided by 9 we will write as it is and plus 6 we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. Sorry, 18. Now move forward. We have to go again left to right and find out which is coming. So now we have 18 divided by 9. So we will solve this one. 18 divided by 9, 2 plus 6. We will write here as. And here we have to give the reference 18 divided by 9 equals to 2. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 8. So the answer of the given expression is 8. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in the class. Bye bye. Allah.